Hey everyone, so I'm gonna try making some Westland example solves on megaminx. I normally use Eastland, and that's where all my PBs are on right now. But I've been doing a lot of Westland recently, and I just wanted to record something. Alright, so here's the first scramble. I'm just gonna use all my cubes, or all I'm gonna do probably 5 example solves, and I'll just use 5 different megamixes because it's fun. Anyways, the star edges are right here, and here. Okay, so let's see. This is uh, hmm. Well, could do that. Okay, I think what I'd probably do, I see this pair as well, is put in this green edge, and then, I'd put in the yellow and purple ones like that, and then these last 2 edges, I just sort of put them in, and then I line the star. And I see this edge is solved, so that's nice. But yeah, I saw these 2, and so I'm gonna hold the cube like this, because then I also just saw these 2, and that means both of these slots are sort of available. So yeah, anyways, so what we can do is solve this red-green like that, and then go into solving this purple-green. I saw this edge as well, so I'm looking around for the corner. I don't see it, but I do see this pair. So what we're gonna do here is solve this red-blue pair like that and insert it into the back. I see these 2 pieces, and I remember I saw the edge for this. It was back here though, or something. Yeah, back here. So I'm gonna rotate over here because I think that's where the pieces are, and then I'm gonna hold the star on the back right bottom because it makes this pair sort of accessible to solve. And then yeah, we'll just solve blue and yellow like that, and then for purple and yellow, you can solve it like that. Great, so that's F2L. Then I see this piece. This is part of, I usually like to start with this block. I start with blue normally, but with Westland, usually I start with specifically the red, blue, pink block, because it just tends to work better. Anyway, so I see these 2 pieces are make a pair. So I'm just gonna make that, and I also saw this edge, so we can just solve the block like that. Now I see these 2. So I think what I'll do is I'll just solve them, and then now I'll look for the edge to insert. There it is. And I know both of the pieces that I need now for this pair are on the back. Yeah, they're over here. So they're in kind of bad spots because but yeah, I think, wait, no. Okay, whatever. We can just do something like that. It's fine. And then now, so I see these 3, and I also see this corner. So this corner, I could pair these up like that and then insert, but then I would have to find this edge, and I don't see it, but I do see this. So I'm just gonna make this block right here. We're gonna insert this edge, and then just solve the pair 3x3. This is pretty good because we can do 1 move to pair, and then L, and then like that. So this, I think I'll rotate and then insert the pair right here. And then for these 2, we have these 2 pieces. We're gonna pair them up and then insert. Now I see we have this pair here, and I think what I can do is sort of put it like this, and then if I rotate again, insert the edge. This is a nice easy 2-gen pair, and then we have this pink and cream, and then I don't know that OLL, but I do know PLL, nice T-perm. Great. All right, here's the next scramble. So this is a different cube because why not? So yeah, we have this piece, and then these 2. Red's already in the spot, and then we have this, and I also see these 2 pieces are kind of nice, these set up. So I think, yeah, I think what I'll do is, so I'm gonna solve these 2 like that, and then I actually can solve the pair right now. Also made that pair, that's nice. And then for this, I'm gonna put the red edge here, and then now when I put the red edge back, it will sort of put this in next to its center. And then I can also do that to move the green one into the right spot, so that's nice. And then I know why I knew these 2 pieces would be close to together, because I saw that when I moved the blue edge from over here to or like over here to over here would put them near each other. But then I also see these two, so I'm just gonna solve those really quickly. Then we have this pair, and then here's that pair that I solved, sort of just by chance. And then so now the last slot's over here, so I'm just gonna rotate all the way over here. And then I have this pretty straightforward solution. Now I have this pair and this edge, so I'm gonna actually hold it from this angle and then just do straightforward solution there. Now I can make this pair, and then do something like this maybe to solve it. Now I have this edge is my next edge, and I don't know where the corner is. It's not one of these, and it's not this one as well, so I guess it has to be this one, right? And so yeah, I guess I'll just do one move into 2gen. Seems good enough. And then this, I'm gonna do some pseudo here, so we're gonna use this as the edge. I see this corner, I'm just gonna move it up because that generally makes it nicer. Sorry. Excuse me. Okay. And then here I see that like I could do like F move spam, but that's bad because like I could just rotate and then put it in like that. And then it made this pair, which is nice, so I can do that pretty easily. Now this is an interesting situation. I think what I would probably do is like that, which I think is fine. And then one move into 2gen here. And then this, I can see these is like a 3-move insert, except there's no edge, so we'll just insert the edge right now. And then this pair, and then rotate. I rotated extra time, whatever. And then so that OLL, and then this case this is a nice case. All right, using the GAN right now. So yeah, so we have edges here, 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 and over here, I guess. So I see a lot of edges that are like this is like adjacent colors. So that's sort of nice. I think I can do something sort of easy. Like where I insert this and then move it over here and then insert these two. And that looks like it's gonna put this like these two like over here. So that's sort of nice to know. And then I see these two. I don't know if they're gonna stay together that much. I think if I put blue in first, they will be sort of around this general area. So I'll do that. So yeah, what I'm gonna be doing is putting in this edge, moving over here, putting in these two, and then blue, and then yellow, same kind of way. Saw these two, but they're in bad spots. I mean, I guess I could do something like that, but it's like weird. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna do these two. Oops, I just didn't do that right. Okay. Whatever, and then insert to the back, and then these two, and then I see this pair, which makes sense because those pieces used to be in the slot. We can do that. Now I have these two pieces, the yellow and purple. So I'm just gonna sort of rotate to, I guess if I do that, it'll put both slots sort of in where I can use them. And then we can do that kind of insert. That's fun. For this pair, that's a fun thing you can do. Okay, and then for this, I see these two are together and the edge is over here. So I'm gonna do some pseudo again. And solve the block like that. And then for this, it's like a similar thing where it's like I can solve the pair and then insert the edge. And then I just did the extra F move because I'm gonna have to move the slot anyways to insert this pair, so it's not really a huge deal. For this, I don't really see any of the pieces that like any edges. All right, like the only piece that I see is this one, so I'm just gonna insert it. And then yeah, over here, so insert that, and then it uses 2 L moves, but it's fine. Okay, so for this, so here there's like an issue because like normally I would insert the green right away, but if I do that, it'll put this corner in a bad spot. So I might just do like an extra move. Then here I'm gonna solve this pair, right? Then I should be able to, yeah. So now I can like insert this pair and then just do an extra move to put that pair back. Now I have sort of like these two and this edge. So pretty straightforward solution there. Okay, so I think if I was doing a solve, I would probably do that into an L insert, which would make me not have to rotate, but would be better probably. I don't know what it was like. Just twist the corner. I think it was like something like this before, and then in that case I would do that because it's 2gen for the rest of the solution. And this, I see this block here, and I kind of like blocks, so I'm just gonna do a Nicholas instead of regular soon. And then this case is all right. All right, it's a lot later, but here's the fourth example solve. Also, if you're wondering if I can post the scrambles, the answer is no, because I just hand scrambled. Anyways, so we have these two edges right here for the star, and then these two, and then also this red one here. So I think what I'll do, so I see also I can make this pair in one move, so I'll probably like just like sort of like do that, and then solve this purple one so that it will be like inserted when I put in green. And then for these two pieces, right, so I just inserted the blue like that, and then I can do a move and then insert these two, and then just solve all four of these pieces at once. And then I have this piece, but I also see I can make the pair, which I don't know if I'll do. I think I would just insert it and then solve the pair like that, and then we have these two like that, and then I see this pair and also these two, so put that in the back. For this, what I can do is kind of good. I guess I could do that, but I think what I'll do is something like that kind of insert, and then rotate over here. We have these two. Pretty straightforward, right? I see this edge is already in here, so it's kind of nice. Also, I noticed this pair. I'm just gonna move the pair out of the way so that I can like solve this, and then I'll just do this kind of thing to get this edge into a better spot so I can put it in like that. And then if I do this, I can see that the rest of that block will be 2gen, so that's nice. Okay, so for this, I think so I guess I can do something like that, and then just do that 2gen. Seems decent. And then we have, I see this piece, but I don't see the green. I do see the purple, but I don't really want to do the purple first, so I'll probably just like spam for that and then insert the edge. And then we have this pair, and then this is nice. So I see I can do that, and then put this edge in, and then do that, and then this is something kind of weird, but like I don't know, like I think in a solve, I guess I'll just rotate, because like I need to rotate anyways for that to be 2gen, so I'll do something like that. And then OLL and then PLL. This case is, I'm not great at that case, but you get the idea. All right, here's the last one. So yeah, edges here, 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 and these two. So this is pretty straightforward, I think. There's any pairs. I guess these two probably aren't going to move that much, so I'll just keep those in mind. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to do like a simul move to put these two next to the blue. And then put all four of these pieces into the star. And then solve it, and then put green. And then yeah, I have these two that I saw. So we can make them into the pair and then insert. And I see these four pieces, but I don't see, like they all go to different pairs, so I'm just gonna rotate over here. And now I see this piece, which goes with this, which is a little far, but I also see the blue. So I'll probably do the blue one. It seems better. And then I see this pair, and I see this, so we're gonna solve that. Now I think I might rotate to like the top, because that's where like most of the pieces are. I see I can do that, so I think I'll do that, and then yeah, and then for this we can put it over here and then do this kind of insert. Pretty nice. And then, okay, so I saw these two, like this sort of thing first, which normally I start with this block, but I think I might want to do something like that to solve this block. And then for this, I don't know, this edge seems closer, so I'll just solve it first and solve the rest of the block like that. Then we have this, which I can put it like this, and then I really like this case, so let's do that. I'm going to solve this block by rotating and then doing that. Now we have these two. Oops. Probably twisted a corner, whatever. So I have this edge. This is usually the edge I want to put in first, because then I can do like pseudo with the bottom edge, which is usually pretty nice. So we're going to do that and then move those up, and then I see I have to do that for them to be good, and then we can do that. I'm going to put this pink edge in so I can sort of do the same kind of thing, the same kind of pseudo with the bottom edge, and the rest you just like solve, I guess. Then we have the OLL and then this PLL. Nice.